When replacing the tube on your Blades X Pro hearing aid, here is how you remove the tube. This part here, this part is screwed on to the main hearing aid. So removing it, you turn it counterclockwise, like so. Turn it until it comes off the main hearing aid. There, as you can see, this is the screw where the tube is attached to the main hearing aid. So when you put it back on or replace it with another tube, all you need to do is align the holes and then twist it counterclockwise to screw it back in, like so. So all you need to do is just twist it, screw it in until it's snugly fit to the main hearing aid. There you go. And that's how to remove the tube from your Blades X Pro hearing aid.